How to join a Telegram group without link. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can join a Telegram group without having their link, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to join a certain Telegram group but you don't have a link for that group, as long as you know the name of the group, you can always search for them and then join that group, unless it's not a private group. So if it's a public group, you can join them. For example, you can just tap the search icon from the top right, select any of the group that you would like to join over here. So you can just go ahead and type in the name of the, let's say, a discussion or a group that you might want over here, and once you've done that, you can select that group here, and then you can just tap the join option in order to join that particular group. And this way you'll be able to join a Telegram group without a link. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.